Hello, everybody. Weekend update. I'm Steve Reinharz, CEO of Artificial Intelligence Technology Solutions. This weekend update will include information on our stock, you, the community, orders, movies, and TV. Some marketing efforts I want to update y'all on, and Project S. All right, let's get to it. So, yesterday morning, Friday morning, beautiful increase, in the stock on opening, and I'm thinking this is great. We're going to finish green on the week, green on the day. What a great day. Anyway, bunch of people sold a few stocks, and we didn't finish high. We didn't finish green. I'm like, man, really, a couple percent? Come on. Anyway, it is what it is. Sellers are going to sell, buyers are going to buy. But whatever. We're still kind of flattish in this channel, which I don't think is terrible. So it is what it is. We'll just wait. Market, of course, is just a wreck right now. But that brings me to you, the community, our loyal AITX informed, smart community. I love all you guys and the few girls. We have a few girls in the community. I wish we had more. Maybe we'll get more with Rad Light my way. But great support. I kind of feel at this point in the development that I truly feel we're doing this together, It's just been great having everybody on board. And we've had some great ups, some great highs along the way. And we've got some really nice wins underway right now. There'll be setbacks. There'll be disappointments. It's inevitable. It's life. It's business. There's ups and there's downs. We've had ups and downs already. But when you have a team that's committed and you have a technology and you have an industry looking to adopt, and really you have an industry that has no choice, it makes me feel good and encouraged that we'll continue to have your support to fight through any challenges that may come up. Because it's so fun to win. But you need challenges. You need challenges to win. So anyway, I thank you guys, and the whole company thanks you very, very much. Really feels like we're a team. Orders. Woke up to some new orders this morning. Yay! Which is fun. I want to just remind everybody about the timing of press releases in the sales cycle. So first off, folks that have been with us for a while know the sales cycle can take 3 weeks to 18 months. It's just how it is. Man, we've got a couple opportunities we've been working on for a couple years. Crazy, right? It's just some things take long. Some things go fast. So, everybody should know that I want more sales. I want them now. And we're working collectively as a company to make that happen, Our sales people are starting to rock and roll. Quality of the sale and quality of the customer is increasing. That's a big deal. But there's some new products coming down, which will hopefully give us a bump, And I'm seeing, most importantly, this new hashtag PropTech, which you'll start to see on my tweets and messages, where this short form for property technology, of course, and it seems to be a softer term to get people's attention for what we do, which is use technology to improve property and facility functions, including security. I think that hashtag is going to get a lot of attention from more of the right buying crowd. And we'll see what happens. Now, we're going to be in Nashville the end of June for the BOMA International Show. So that'll be fun. A lot of property managers there. A lot of our partners will be there as well. So I'm looking forward to that. But it's just fun moving forward. I want to remind everybody, we're building value. No matter what happens, we're building value. We're building value through increasing revenue. We're building value through continuing to increase our technology portfolio. At this point, I don't know, 10, 20, $30 million spent on software and hardware. There's a lot of value there. And I just say to you, look at the money we've spent on R&D, on production, on systems, on everything that we've done. equate that to the market that we're pursuing and we're trying to create, and then equate that to our market cap and see what you think. All of that makes me feel good. Anything can happen. I gotta be very careful. Anything can happen, but I feel good about it, and I'm happy to share that. Movies and TV. This is I don't want to say spiraling, but at this moment, last night they finished filming a Scott in a production at a Santa Monica, and everybody was super excited. I got a couple pictures of the Scott in the production. It looks so cool. It's a 2023 theatrical release, but it's so cool to have a unit in that movie, in any movie, right? And then at the same time that that's happening, one of like there's a TV series that's been on the air for years and years and years and years and years. And I don't really watch a lot of TV personally, but some of my kids have been really into this series. It's more of an adult series, but the teenagers and so forth. And when I first talked to Doug, and I said, hey, let's get into some movies and TV. This is the TV series that I want us to be in. This is perfect for us. And we set that as a goal. And I think that we are going to be in it, which is crazy. I'm so happy about that. And it's TV, which means that it's a quick turn. It's not like the movies, like we're filming stuff in May of 2022. One of them isn't slated to come out till next summer, as a summer blockbuster from a particular production company. So, TV will be on the air probably in January. I don't know the exact release schedule for this TV series, but filming is either underway or starting in the next week or so. So that's so cool. I love that. I really, really, really do. It's just, it's amazing. And like I've said before, we don't pay for product placement. We don't pay, which of course is great for you. It's great for us. Now, the upside is we don't pay. The upside is these studios are seeing value in making their productions more awesome and modern by using our technology. There is a slight downside, which is we don't have any input on how they use the units. So if it's a paid product placement, then we could put in conditions saying, hey, we're going to get this much screen time and you're going to use it this way. You're going to demonstrate this function. When we're doing it our way, we don't have that control. And, I'm 100% okay with that. I said to the big theatrical production, the one that is filming this end of this week and next week, I'm going to go visit it in Atlanta on Friday. That one's got Scotts and Romeos and Rosas. It's like, I can't believe it. And it's a huge production. And I said to them, I was like, we had a few phone calls, so forth about it. And I said, guys, if you want to if there's a battle scene and, Romeo's going to blow up, I said, do it. I said, do whatever it is you want to do. I said, we're happy to be in the game. And they're like, we're not going to blow up any of your stuff. And I was like, okay, good. That works too. You don't have to. I'm just saying that, I'm just happy to be here and we're a team player, whatever's going to make your movie as good as possible. So that's very, very cool. So we've got the Santa Monica production movie. We got the Atlanta movie. Both of those filmed or finishing up this month. We have the new TV series, which is really cool, Ink Not Dry Yet. And we have another TV series, which again, I love the TV too because the quicker turn. And they're in talks with us right now too, again, for more than one unit. So, very exciting. I love it. It's fun. I know that our community will love it. They'll be like, I know those guys. Those guys, that's our stuff. I'm invested in that company. So that's one of the reasons why I like sharing these updates on this call, because it's fun. It's exciting. It's part of this whole community that we've built. And I know because, I listen and I read and I respond and interact that everybody wants more marketing. And I've said for the last several months that we've got more marketing coming online. The first 30-second TV spot is, I'm finishing filming up some elements of that on Monday. And we'll probably have that finished up let's say Wednesday-ish, all done up, maybe Thursday. So that's going to be a really nice piece, a really, really, really nice piece. It's kind of like a bit of an AITX piece. And then we're going to be drilling into Rad Light My Way pieces as part of that big campaign, which looks to start end of this month, next month. So that's good. These are professional quality, professional production stuff, which we've never really had at AITX. We've always been very guerrilla and cell phone-ish, but now we're putting in a little bit of money. Rad Light My Way, I'm investing in because I think that it's a huge winner. And those of you who follow know that I've talked about a new product called Rio. And Rio's really cool. It's a relatively light lift for us from a technology standpoint because of how deep we are in other forms of technology. But it's the first iteration of a product where we're going after an existing market. This market I calculate to be $250 to $500 million a year, and I calculate our approach to be disruptive on an immediate level. It's very interesting because usually my time is spent thinking about, hey, this is a new product. We're going to do things a new way. It's a better way. It's going to give better performance and save money, on and on and on. Now I'm taking kind of that and I'm moving, because what we do is we start on the fringe and we move the fringe into the mainstream till it is the mainstream. That's how technology gets adopted. So we got a bunch of stuff on the fringe fighting their way into mainstream. And now I got a couple components of that we're spinning to make a more mainstream product right off the bat. So that's exciting. And we're making nice progress on that. And then Project S. Project S, I'm going to say 75% chance of launch this week, 99% chance launch of next week. That's what I'm saying. Okay? So that's kind of cool. Folks, thank you for listening. Thank you for being part of the community. Reach out, comment. Appreciate you. Enjoy the weekend.